Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys a Five Below haul, a Target haul, and a couple things that arrived from Amazon. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to thumbs up. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so it is actually later on at night, so I am actually using my ring light. So I'm hoping it doesn't look absolutely horrible. But regardless, I did buy a lot of things that I actually needed to restock for in my pantry. If you weren't here last year or the year prior, I actually love baking a lot in fall and winter. So I had to get a lot of things for baking, like my pumpkin cheesecake muffins, my coquito when I make it for Christmas. Just a lot of baking, a lot of baking. So I did get a lot of things to replenish for that. And then just some little things that I use all the time. And we decided to just go to Five Below and I ordered some things on Amazon. Anyways, I'm rambling. So let's go ahead and get into it again. So at Five Below, I picked up these two for my munchkin. She actually picked up the Toy Story-ish one with Mickey, and my husband picked up the Bluey for her. She loves both, so we got these. And my husband saw this shirt for her, so he got it in 3/4, which I thought was super duper cute. And of course, it has little Disney characters right there. It is so adorable. I picked up this hat. Honestly, I feel like I buy a Nightmare Before Christmas beanie every year, and every year I lose it. So this is this year's. You can also open it like that, but I'm most likely gonna wear it, close like that. I love beanies for fall and winter, so I'm excited about that. I also picked out this Cheetah Girls shirt, which I thought was the cutest thing ever. I'm so excited for that. And then the last thing I picked up was this guy. And it says, on Wednesday, we wear black, which is totally more my vibe, even though I love Mean Girls, but this is like completely my vibe. So yeah, that is all we got at Five Below. Okay, so at Target, again, I am kind of getting a lot of things for baking. So I got my another pack, another thing of flour, and another thing of sugar. Again, for baking, I got two pure pumpkin praise. You guys can see that. I always get these. They're literally my go-to for the pumpkin muffins I make that my husband absolutely loves. I got some evaporated milk. Got two. You can use that for coquito. You can use that for pancakes. When you make oatmeal, anything like that. Also got some sweet condensed milk. Again, you can also use this for pancakes and for oatmeal, which now I have a taste for. And then I ran out of ground paprika, so I picked up another one of those. And I use this for my pumpkin stuff, so pumpkin pie spice. Which last time they had the smallest thing, and I finished that in like so fast. So yeah, I was like, I need another one. So that's, I feel like, majority of the baking stuff. I did get this for my pantry. I love this one for my stir fry. And then I've never tried this before, but I've seen this in a lot of videos, so I decided to pick it out so I could try it. And it is Korean barbecue stir fry sauce. If you know a better one or a better brand or anything, let me know, because I personally love cooking and I love experimenting, so let me know. These are our daughter's, basically how we get her to do anything. So we don't give her candy still, other than like chocolate and the strawberries, but these like Pokies are a little different. She loves donuts and stuff like that, but we don't give her straight up candy. But this is literally our bribing item. I really want to see what we do when we go to Florida, because I can't really keep this in the car because it melts. So we got to find another little treat for that, but yeah, she loves these, so we got that. We also got a pack of Five Below, but she's been eating and messing with that, so I'll leave her have that. We ran out of our biscuits. Oh, there we go. So we got these. We never run out, and this time we actually did, so I was kind of upset. We needed another backup of peanut butter and jelly. This is our favorite. I love the grape bun. We needed another nail. This is also going in the pantry for right now. And then we got some oil, again, baking and cooking. Obviously, this is the most, I think, should I just stop showing this? But my creamer, non-dairy almond creamer, sweet cream, best creamer in the world. I absolutely love it. We've tried to switch so many times and we just keep going back. And then my favorite pumpkin non-dairy creamer, which is amazing. My daughter's favorite block of cheese. They didn't have pepperoni. She loves pepperoni. This with Ritz, and they did not have pepperoni, turkey pepperoni. So I need to buy some more online. But we got that. She loves her string cheese, so we got some more string cheese. We got bread. We are a bread home, so I honestly use one basically for my husband's lunch for the week, and then me and my daughter eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches either for lunch or breakfast. If you know, you know. I've made homemade cookies. They're probably in my Christmas playlist if you are interested. I love homemade cookies, but she's getting older and it's getting so much harder to do stuff with her. I thought it would get easier, but it gets harder because now she actually really wants to be here and doing it with me. Anyways, we even bought a step stool thing so she could sit on, and she is actually scared of it. So yeah, these 10 minutes in the oven, the most chewiest, amazing things ever. And the last things that I got at Target, so I actually just threw all the ones we had away. And I saw these and I kind of had to. So I threw all the ones we had of these away because we've had them for over a year and a half, and they're plastic, even though they are, you know, PA, whatever it's called. But my husband, BPA free. But my husband does not like that they're plastic. And here I am buying another two, well, three. But the Halloween ones were so cute. I hope you guys could even tell with the glare. But they're so, so cute. And I got this one as well. I had to, guys. And usually I also get the Christmas ones. So, yeah, they're $3 a piece. So it doesn't really hurt things, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I have stuff all over me. All right, and then again, I threw all my other ones away, so I bought these on Amazon. I already used, we actually bought another pack of two from Amazon, and I love them. My daughter drinks off of these because they are smaller, and I put a silicone straw in it. And I bought my husband the bigger one, which is actually drinking right now. So it came with two of the bigger ones, but one of them was defective, and I did not want to send them both back. So I was like, you know what? Let me just buy little ones because honestly, I prefer to drink my coffee in the smaller cup than the bigger ones. Kind of trying to portion control my caffeine. But I actually really love those cups, so I would say check them out. And then the last thing that I got on Amazon is these stickers. If you guys, well, my child loves stickers. If you guys have not purchased anything like this on Amazon, I recommend them. So they basically, you know, they have like the eyes, the lips, like you could just put them on the face. They have Woody, they have like, I just love them. So I got her Toy Story ones because she's actually been addicted to Toy Story. She calls Buzz Buzz, and then she calls Woody Vicky. I don't understand why, but she does. I highly recommend these if your toddler loves stickers. We also have the Frozen ones, and we have Bluey, and she loves all of them. So yeah, I wanted to pick some more up of those that are a little bit on the pricier side versus the ones that they kind of have at Dollar Tree, but she does like them, and I love that they have the characters. I might actually put some of these in a book and have her, like right before we go to like Florida, have her put them in the book, and that's where they're gonna sign, where she just did the sticker. I don't know, I'm still, you know, thinking. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.